Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for April. It says look good, do good. Did come with a insert that has the products listed on the inside, so I'll show that at the end. But the first thing I got is from Perlise. This is a Kale and Vitamin K moisturizer. Pretty sure I'm going to like that. They have a watermelon moisturizer that I absolutely love. Then I have a felt tip eyeliner in matte black by Cab. Haven't heard of that brand, but I can always use eyeliner. Then we also have superfoods. This says avocado and kiwi mega moisture hair mask. That's awesome. Definitely use that. So far a really good bag. Then I have Mo Beauty. This is a sheer conditioning lip balm. And the last item, I Am Beautiful Length Volume Mascara. I Am Beautiful. Very cool. So let's look at the card. Goes over all the products again. Tips on how to use. And that is what I got in my Ipsy bag for this month. If you guys would like to subscribe, I do have a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.